often do you find yourself wrestling with a PDF, trying to edit text, sign a contract, or convert a file to Word or PowerPoint? In 2025, PDF editing tools have come a long way. Today, I'm diving into the best PDF editors of 2025, breaking down what makes each one stand out and who each one is best for. Whether you handle documents for work, school, or personal projects, this guide will help you choose wisely. First up, the heavy hitter, Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. It remains the gold standard for a reason. Powerful editing tools, reliable OCR for scanned documents, form and signature support, and strong security options. Its cloud integration also makes it easier to access documents across devices, which is helpful if you work on multiple gadgets. The downside is the cost. It's the most expensive option, and if you only edit PDFs occasionally, it may feel like more than you need. If you want something more budget-friendly but still robust, Foxit PDF Editor is a top contender. It offers full editing capabilities, great annotation tools, easy conversion to various formats, and even redaction and e-signature features depending on the plan. Its interface is clean and easy to navigate, making it great for both business and personal use. The pricing is generally more affordable than Acrobat, making it a solid middle ground option. For Windows users, especially those looking for a cost-effective tool, EaseWest PDF Editor is worth considering. It includes essential to advanced editing tools, text edits, layout adjustments, conversion to Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, page management, links, images, and more. It's a dependable everyday PDF editor that doesn't overwhelm you with complex features. Many users appreciate that it offers a lifetime license option, which makes it very budget-friendly long-term. If you prefer not to install software, or you switch devices frequently, a web-based PDF editor like PDF Filler might be your best option. It works directly in your browser and still offers powerful features such as editing, merging, e-signatures, redaction, and secure sharing. It's convenient for quick edits or when you're on the go. However, if your work involves very heavy or frequent editing, relying on internet connection and subscription pricing may not be ideal. And for anyone looking for a fresh contender in 2025, Flexi-PDF has stepped up with a new 64-bit version. This upgrade makes it much faster and smoother, especially for large or complex documents. It also added new tools like AI-powered summarization, translation features, and document tabs for easier multitasking. If you often handle research papers, reports, or lengthy PDFs, this editor can be a real time saver. Conclusion: choosing the best PDF editor depends on your workflow. If you need the most powerful features, Acrobat remains unmatched. For strong performance at a better price, Foxit or EaseUse offer great value. If you prefer working online, PDF Filler gives you flexibility without software downloads. And if you deal with large PDFs regularly, FlexiPDF's 2025 update is definitely worth checking out. If this review helped you, make sure to like and subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you won't miss the next software guide.